Lansing, there's a debate over time, specifically daylight saving time. Some lawmakers want to get rid of it here in Michigan. 7 Action News reporter Dave Llewellyn has this timely report.
Here at Northville Watch and Clock Shop, time is always ticking away. And if a Michigan lawmaker gets his way, time will run out on daylight saving time here in Michigan. State Representative Peter Lucido represents the 36th district in Macomb County. He's pushing a bill that would end Michigan's long-established practice of springing forward and falling back. He wants the state to remain on daylight saving time year-round.
Saving of energy it didn't do. They said that there'll be fewer traffic fatalities because it'll be daylight, earlier. That's not true either. In fact, we have more fatalities as a result of this, including injury accidents to employees.
I don't want there to be sunrise before 5 o'clock in the morning and then, sunset at 8 o'clock at night. I love the long Michigan summer.
Lucido admits it's uncertain if House Bill 4986 will ever make it out of committee. Some we talked with say there are more important issues lawmakers should be focusing on.
And it probably, unfortunately, tells me that maybe they have a little bit too much time on their hands if that's going to be the bill, instead of fixing the roads, which is probably a little more important in my mind.
It's not a very important issue as far as I'm concerned. There's a lot of big problems in the world. That's just not one of them.
It has no effect on me. I know that when we fall back, I really appreciate that extra hour myself. And it's just kind of, we're geared that way, and I think it's fine.
At least for this weekend, you'll still have to take the time to turn your clock back 1 hour. Time will tell if other legislators are willing to chime in and pass the legislation to stop the state's annual time shifts. In Northville, Dave Llewellyn, 7 Action News.